My name is Mike, and welcome to Mad River Outdoors. I'm Mike. We're back up on the property today. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by and checking it out. Quick brief overview. Bought a 5-acre piece of property at a tax auction. We were able to secure it before it actually went to auction through the buyback process. So the taxes were paid were just a few years, luckily. So it really wasn't that much. This channel is dedicated to showing the progress of where I started, the condition it was in when I bought it, and how we can try to slowly progress forward to make this a functional camp or home, depending on what the future holds. There are a total of 3 buildings. One is a barn, one is an old chicken coop, and then you have the camp in front of me, behind me rather. So we're gonna get started here on the chimney. We gotta take the cinder blocks off and take this old panel out door and see exactly the condition of the space that's in here. The goal is just to try to get some bricks from outside with some mortar and fill in this spot. Definitely could be a potential spot for mice getting in. Again, we did get one today when I came up, so we're trying to figure out where they're getting in and just try to get every place sealed up. But let's go ahead and get started and see if we can get this squared away in no time flat. Well, I definitely don't have any bricks that are going to fit that little space. Wow, look at that. I was able to find a small brick. Perfect. So I'm getting close to the end here, and I've got this one spot that I need to deal with, and I'm hoping that these bricks are going to fit. Looks like they will. And I'm just going to have to take up the slack space with mortar. Wow, you can feel a ton of cold air coming through there. Perfect. All right, she's all done. Nice. Okay, so we've been able to get our chimney blocks put in place. We were able to block up this hole. No water, air, hopefully rodents will be getting in this area anytime soon. We were able to find another mouse trap down here that had been here for a while. The mouse was pretty badly decomposed, but I know we were missing a mouse trap, so mouse count just went to 12. Hopefully no more mice in the house with this addition. We're going to get cleaned up and start focusing on the next project. Well, we're finally going to get started working on the chimney. There's a ton of excess little stone and debris that's around the chimney, so I'm just going to pick it up and put it inside the chimney surround and try to fill that cavity up as much as possible. They must have been hanging out back to back. Look at him. It must be like his brother. Maybe it was a mama and a baby. Alright, so as you can see, we got that cavity filled in pretty well with dirt and debris that was around. Picked up a lot of big pieces, which I'm glad for. It'll be easier to mow. Getting this on an angle with those 2 pieces of plywood we had left over from the porch really worked out well. So now at least when the water comes down, it'll even shed right off the house onto this and off. So we minimize the amount of water that gets into the house through the old chimney. Other than that, I think we're going to call it a day. Time to go get some dinner. We're going to have some chicken and rice. I don't remember exactly what the dish is called. It's an Indian dish. Very similar to tiki marsala. So I'm pretty excited about that. Anyway, thanks for joining me on today's video. Hope you're having a great day. And we'll see you on the next one.